Hi everyone guys, we've been making personality files using Avolites Personality Builder, but some of you asked how to save a D4 file and where to copy it if you're using a certain console or Titan PC suite. So I thought of sharing with you today. So after you're done with editing your personality builder, adding all attributes, go to Files and Save As. If you're using Titan PC suite, you have to save this to Documents and Titan folder and Personalities. Here this is where you have to save if you're using Titan PC suite with T1, T2 or Avolites mobile. If you're using a console, Tiger Touch, Sapphire or Arena, you have to copy your file to D hard disk, Titan and Personality folder. So give it a try. If you have any question, don't hesitate to contact me. I'll try my best to support you. So all the best. God bless you.